do some further styling just to make it a bit better. The first thing we'll do is I'll just add this family font. It's just Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif, just to give it, to change that look to that. The second thing is we need to, I thought maybe we'll just add some shadow here at the bottom to just make it look like it's floating on nothing but air. Right, so going to css generator.org, just box shadow generator. And what else can you generate here? Cursors, yeah, a lot of stuff. So that's all we just need to do that. So the blur, we just need some blur like that. Want it down, want it more centered. Drop the opacity. That's 0. I think that's perfect, right? So we'll just copy that. Then we'll go to our container and drop it right there. So we just want it to be at the bottom there, like that, right? So next thing is the add button. What I want to do is place the add button here at the bottom right corner of our screen, so that we have space for all these awesome things that we have done here. So come here, right? So we don't want it to be within the container, so that we'll be able to float it off. So close there. Come here and we say add button, right? In fact, we will make it a button. The button. How do you button there, and want a big plus thing there. So there's our button there. Right, we'll give it a ID of add button like that. The reason why I'm giving it an ID is because we're probably gonna use it for other things in the future. The add button, right? Sweet, right. So we want to give it a width of I'm thinking, yeah, 100 pixels maybe. Let's start with that one. The height of 100 pixels. Alright, the background color, we want it, let's give it the success, right? Yeah, success one is the one, right? And the inner color, let's give it white. Alright, like that. Cool stuff. And then let's say font size. I want the font size to be what? 40 pixels. And font weight. I want the font weight to be bolder. Alright, just need it to be a lot more bolder like that. Right. Come here and say border radius. First of all, we just say borders none, so that the black color around it will disappear, and then we say the border radius of, let's say, 60 pixels, right? I just want to highlight there that I'll show it to you first, and then I'll explain. So if we take this border and put it at the bottom, nothing happens. Never mind. Right, so we have him there. Now I want him to be dragged to the bottom right of our screen there. I think I want to give it some shadows as well. So we're gonna take some of this shadow, right? Then we'll put it there. Right. Oh, that looks better than I thought. Cool stuff. So say position. All right, you want to give it a fixed position, meaning that it will not move regardless. Okay, it should not move, but floating it to the right. All right. In fact, we don't need to float it. We'll just say the right side. Want it to have 10 pixels distance to the right side. Then the bottom. Want it to have 40 pixels, right? Oh, it's floating on our left. Let's say absolute. Absolute should fix. Absolute always fix everything. No, it did not. What if we float it? Float right. Let's set index it, give it 100, like that. I think we'll leave it there. I think we'll leave it there for now. Here's our add button.